That boy Lou.
Let's get it, man.
Order submitted.
Hey, let's get it.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Are you back at home, fam?
Order filled. Target filled. Target filled.
Yes, sir. I am. I am. I'm so mad at myself. Oh, fuck.
Why is that?
Because my algo, I had it set to so when I was in Florida,
Order
basically when I
filled.
turned my algo on, it's set to just be auto on, but I had turned it off during one of my trades because it was trailing, so I didn't want it to try to enter anymore because I was about to go to the park and shit. So when I just turned the algo back on, it was set to auto off because the last time I had it on, it was on auto off, and it would have caught a monster short. So I went to the chart and I'm like, wait, where is the? And I see that it didn't take the trade because it was auto off.
Oh shit! Damn.
God damn it.
Well,
That's fine. That's all gravy. It is what it is.
on the bright side, it is the start of the week, so
Yeah, no, I ain't even tripping. It's cool. I'm like whatever. But I'm telling you right now, it would have caught a monster winner,
is
monster.
is it that short we just had right now?
It would have entered at 21,821, and
Damn.
it probably because it and uh no, I'm sorry, it would have entered at 21,810, and it would have rolled that down. Oh, that was a 60-point banger on like 15 micros. No, all right.
Ricky.
All good. All good. Yeah, that's fine. I'm tight. I'm fucking tight.
Order submitted.
So now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna. That's annoying. That's annoying. That's annoying. So I'm gonna auto on it and then I'm gonna button it off because now there's no point of even having the algo on right now. Yeah. That's
Order filled.
I'm feeling some type of way. I can't even lie. I'd have been like $800 per account.
Damn, that's insane.
Order filled.
That's insane.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, market's ripping up now. I should have went. I didn't do a pilot. I didn't do a pilot check. That's on me. 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 Okay. Yep. Yeah, that was a monster. That was a monster. Yeah, that would have been absolute monster. Um. All right. Well. Okay. Okay, well, so if I share my screen, can you can still see my screen, I think. So don't drop yours
Okay.
for the recording. So but just like toggle to see mine, but don't drop your screen because I'm gonna put mine up and then I'm gonna put mine back down. But I wanted to show you just because I want you to see what I'm talking about.
But
So hold on one second. Is this the right chart? Okay. That's all right. Okay. I'm going to. I'll show you right now. Here.
I can't see your screen. Let me.
No, it's not up yet.
Oh,
you should see it now. You see it, right?
Not yet.
So in the Zoom control, there should be something that says "Show Meeting."
Oh, but I see it now.
And then now you can click on. Now you have the window up and it has multiple tabs on the top.
Yeah.
And now you can click on my share.
Yeah, I see it.
You see my screen? Okay. So basically, a situation where once the market breaks below a certain level, I want to enter short. So, like this bar, I have basically two ranges for myself. I have this range, this blue line, and then I have this magenta line right here. If we get a candle close below it, then I want to be in on the next bar, right? So I would have entered here. You could see that this was minimal. I only endured 27 ticks of heat potentially. 27 ticks of heat for possibly 200 something ticks of profit. And the way my algo setup is, if I go up a certain amount, then it'll allow me to give back a certain amount before it takes me out. So if I'm up 600, if I'm up 700, it'll allow me $200 of wiggle room. So if I go up 700 and then at any point I'm only up 500, it'll take me out. But it'll keep going. So if I'm up 1,000, it'll allow me to lose. It'll allow me to lose 200 from that 1,000. If I go up 1,200, it'll allow me to lose 200 from that 1,200. If I go up 1,800, it'll allow me to lose 200 of that 1,800. And so that would have been a monster. And it does a calculation because I have it set to a certain amount of risk, and based on what a stop would be, which is an ATR stop, it would enter me in a certain number of contracts, right? So again, it's a dynamic system where it takes the like targets and stops. They're not static. They're dynamic. So they'll depend on how the market is. It'll go get it. So that's what I wanted to show you. Yes, sir.
Bro, that's cool.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I see that my other algo I had went and got. It went and it's going dumb. It's going stupid. So today would have been a monster day, but I already know how I'm feeling. I don't like when this type of shit happens. This was not a tech error. This was a user error. This was completely my fault. So all good. And you can see I turned off my algo. It's disabled. My algo is disabled.
Yeah.
Actually, I dropped my screen, but man, my algo is disabled. So it's all good. All gravy, man. So how you feeling about the market?
Today, I was eyeing that short, but I just felt like we were kind of like hovering in a random level. So I'm like, I think I'm gonna stay out. I really want to take that short, but I decided to stay out, and it happened very quick. So in a way, I'm happy I took it. I haven't taken any trades. I don't know how I'm feeling today. Like, just because I'm feeling like this, I think I might not take any trades unless we go down to the 61.8.
Okay. Yep. Yo, you know what the funny thing is? Like, I was talking with my mentor yesterday,
Order
and
submitted.
and look, ooh, nice little dunk. I was talking with my mentor yesterday, and we were talking how it's kind of funny that
Order submitted.
it's funny that you know, we had all this news during the weekend, right? And it was like, yeah, it's so funny. We had all this news, but watch the market just go and do its normal range. So now I'm looking at the ADR, right? Market on average on the past 20 days, they went and did.
Order filled.
Market's doing this thing right
Order filled.
now.
Oh,
Whoa.
y'all see that?
Order
Is
submitted.
this me or is the market going dumb?
No, there's like something going on. News
It's
or
like
something?
it's like 20-point wicks, like
Yeah,
20 point.
I forgot we have news.
Oh yeah.
We got flash manufacturing
Let me-
PMI
Let me
Yeah.
let me
and
post
flash
the news on the
services
group.
PMI. Oh shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna post that in the graph. I forgot to post that to y'all. My fault.
Oh, that's not
20-day ADR is 340. Friday they moved 394. Today, guess how much they moved? 382. So even though they did that big gap from low to high, they've done basically the range. They obviously we saw that huge ass gap down, but they came, gap closed, and did what they needed to do. So nothing out of the normal except for the gap down.
And we filled it before we even started the session.
Yep, filled it at like London session. We filled it literally at London session. So yeah. But yeah, Mike, I was just telling Serge that one of my algos, I had it on Friday, and then it hit goal, and so I buttoned it off, right? I turned it off. I didn't disable it. I just put it on auto off, and because I was going I was going out with family, so today I went and enabled my algo, but it was still on auto off. So when the trade took place, I'm like, why isn't it taking the trade? This is where I would have wanted to go in. But it was because it was still on auto off from the last time on Friday. So it didn't get me to the trade. So I just took a little scalp and made a couple hundred.
On which one? On the dump?
Yeah, on the short at the open. It would have entered it would have entered at 820 and it would have got out around 750 or 760. But like, yeah, it's all good.
And then the bottom that we just had on the dump was the 50% of the opening gap.
Order filled.
The 50% of the fair value gap.
Mm-hmm.
Right,
Yeah,
see.
let me.
I'm not gonna mark Asia low because that shit's crazy.
Yeah,
It's London.
but hey, you never know. It could get there.
I mean, you're right, but I'm gonna know we get there.
Right. Yeah, exactly.
I mean, I'll mark it. I'm gonna mark it anyway, but
Market do what they do. Market do what it do.
I hate when we have these little ranges like this, though. Like when everything's so far apart.
Mm-hmm.
Because on my strat, I can't take a trade until we get to one of these levels, which Asia
Sounds
high
like a
would have been my
disciplined trader.
bounce. Asia high would have been my bounce.
Mm-hmm. Sounds like a disciplined trader to me.
Order submitted.
Yeah, but these are the days sometimes you miss out on the big moves.
Damn.
Ricky.
Damn.
Ricky.
Yeah, let me post the news.
Yeah, I ain't taking no trades today, fam.
Why not?
There'd probably still be something available, but I feel you know if your strat says nah, then be like nah.
I think my
Losing
emails.
events.
I think my emails know that I'm a profitable trader
Damn.
because they keep sending me alerts on houses that are way outside my price range filters. I've never
Apparently
looked
they're
at a
not.
house.
Apparently they're in your range.
I've never looked at a house that was for $970,000.
Damn.
Here we go. There's an email. Oh, look, another email for 1.36 million. I've
See?
never looked at houses that price range.
You
Hey.
never did.
Damn, we ripping
What?
right now, boy.
Hey, like that meme I sent y'all, where it was like past my first funded account, and dude's like changing the customizing the whip.
Damn. Damn.
Best ones are when it says when I get my first withdrawal, and then it's World War III.
Oh my god.
I'm gonna have to start placing orders on my Starbucks that say "Do not write on my cup." Hey, put the knife down. Relax. It's the Morphe pack. It's a battery pack. I tried out. I'm gonna return it.
I'm so fucking mad, man. That would have
I
been
still have
fucking
it.
monster.
I just tried it out. But it was on sale. But I'm gonna return it because it's ass. How you gonna buy a battery pack that only charges your phone 50%?
Nah.
It only gives me 50% battery apparently. All right, boys and girls. What are we going to do?
How you feeling, bro? How y'all both feeling?
Oh, I tried to trade oil this morning. I will never do that again.
Oh, I used to trade oil. Well, let me not say I used to. I traded a little bit, but
No, my dumbass forgot to do the micro.
damn.
I was in full oil.
How many cons?
Just one. But it moved 30 cents against me. I was like, wow.
30 cents. 300.
It's $10 per
$300.
$10 per pin. I mean, I closed it for green, $20, but yo,
Yeah, they moved, man.
$10 per penny.
And also too, at the at 9 o'clock, at 9 a.m. That's the oil's open. I don't know if you knew that. 'Cause I trade oil sometimes too. And then gold's open is like I think 8:20 or 8:30.
Yeah, I don't want to do that again. I'm
Yeah.
Gucci. All right, let's see where we're at. All right, we're on the shelf on the 1 hour. Massive fair value gap from Friday. Yeah, this chart looks like that. On a higher time frame, the charts look like that.
Oh my god.
We're just gonna fuck around now.
Today should have been like a 15K day. I can't even. I'm fucking tight.
It's crazy because I had longs that open. Oh, not open. I had longs that was like 558, I believe it was, or 648. I gotta go drop down to the 15-second chart.
God damn it. And I know when I get like this, I start doing some dumbass shit. So your boy not taking no more trades.
Yeah, I had an entry at 658 last night.
658. Oh, for longs? Yes, sir. Yeah, I know somebody that blew up all their accounts trying to short.
Bro, so many people blew their accounts last night.
Like, oh my god, the market's gonna dump. It's war. It was like, I mean, I don't know how many times we've all said this together on stream, but market can do anything. Market can and will do anything at any time.
Oh,
so,
it was an OTM guy.
Huh?
Was it an OTM guy?
I don't know. Oh, that blew up their accounts?
Yeah.
Oh, I have no idea. I don't know. I hope not. But I saw someone online. They blew 18 300K PAs. Yeah. And they were all deep in profit. They just kept trying to short, kept trying to short it. And then he said at one point he was in profit and he didn't take it.
That's when you gotta close that break even at that point.
Yeah. And then he ended up adding more to the short.
Well,
and he said that London session pump is what got him.
Damn. Because if he would have shorted, he would have. He was probably in profit around like 8 o'clock, 8:30. Yeah. Probably he was in profit 8:30.
Yeah. It was like, oh, it's coming down now. It's gonna dump, and just kept adding. Added heavy.
Got you.
So, market's pumping.
Let's see where we're gonna go today. Probably.
Yeah.
Target level highs. Got a little shelf right here. Let's see how we react to it.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that recovery. We just had a 200-point wick, 100-point wick.
Yeah.
That shit.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah. But yeah, man. Hope everybody
That's
is doing all right.
sucks, bro.
Yeah. I think
That hurts ego more than anything.
yeah. I think it's 17 or 18 PAs gone. And he got banned as well. So he's done with Apex.
Banned?
Yeah, because he got the eval ban. Well, basically, like they were about to try to move him to live.
Oh,
so
they think
he can no longer.
He's farming.
Yeah, so he no longer could. Because I mean, that's what he did. He would blow evals to get PAs good, and then all right, run up PAs, maybe blow some, and then keep. You know what I'm saying? That's the whole cycle. And so they're like, oh, we're gonna try to move you to live / you can't purchase any more evals for the next 2 years. So he blew all his PAs that he had, and now he's done with Apex for a little bit. So I mean, it is what it is. But he knew what it was. But yeah. Mm-hmm. And the thing too with like, so I mean, we talk about it. It's so funny that the market. We had all this news, and you know, people were heavy short.
Yeah.
So that's why for me, I try not to have that bias. I think we all don't. We all try not to have that bias because that can really fuck you up.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah.
Well, I mean, as long as he got his payouts, I guess.
Yeah, I mean, yeah, he did, but he did say he was still underwater. Like when it comes to the firm.
I think if you're blowing accounts, like if you're getting payouts and then blowing accounts, I think they have a legitimate, sim farming thing.
Yep.
But if you're not getting any payouts, like, you know what I mean? Like, you're not getting payouts and you're blowing accounts, I don't think that counts as sim farming.
Right. No, exactly. He was starting to get payouts. I think that's what it was. He was starting to get payouts, and they were like, "Oh, you sim farming and you getting payouts? Let's relax." Because that's what. So he would pass 100 evals, have 100 evals sitting, get some payouts on a PA. If it was low on drawdown, he'll just blow it, activate a new one. So they was like, yeah, nah. But
yeah, I mean, I see it.
Yeah. Which, I mean, Top Step is kind of doing that thing. Top Step is basically like, nah. You know what I'm saying? So, a lot of firms are. Like, yeah, man. I'm aggravated.
Hey,
We moving right now. Yeah. It's just smoked.
Oh my God.
Everybody.
Yeah, all them shorts getting clapped.
Right.
Shorty.
Well, here's London High.
Yeah. Marcus said, what more?
What bike? Oh, that bike.
Right. Also, too, the oil play was shorts. Right? You know what I'm saying? Like, the market is lower than it was where it ended Friday for oil. Man. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah. Man.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Oil dumping. Damn.
Don't tell me that.
Oil is dumping.
Don't tell me that.
Shit. Fed Bowman. Current Middle East strife could pressure up commodity prices. Data is not showing much impact from trade policy. Blah blah blah. Tariffs are likely to have a small impact on inflation. This is all from Fed Bowman. Yeah. Yeah. Market doing this thug dizzle. This is crazy, bro. Yeah, we had existing home sales at 10. That was a nice little push.
You see my screen?
Hold on, let me see. Nah, let me.
Yeah, you got the dick and balls pattern.
Oh my god. Yeah. Let's go, man.
Dick and balls pattern.
Order filled. Target filled.
Man, what a clean day today, man. Absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Price action is kind of getting hard to read now.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
We just got stuck there, huh?
Yeah, bro.
Yep.
We stuck. We stuck Amodimus. How many points have we moved today? 456. Okay. That boy got that. He got that. That order there sitting at golden ratio. You might as well attach it to it. No, I'm being serious.
Order
Right click
filled.
on the MIT part of it. Right click, go attach to indicator, and then properties. And now hit that little drop down. No. The top one for indicator. Now click on 61.8. Click OK.
Oh.
Bang. So now it's just attached.
Oh.
It is.
Yo.
I showed you that already. I
Oh.
really showed you that, bro.
Oh, wait.
And then you can offset it. So if you want it to be like a 10 tick offset, so now if it's going to be long, so now go back, go right click on the MIT, go there, attach the indicator. Now uncheck enabled. And now go back, do the same thing. Boom, boom, boom. Properties. Now it's gonna stay. It's still gonna be on 61.8 once it pops up. Okay. All right. Now go click on the box click on the other box.
Other box?
Yep, right there. Click right there. Now see how it says offset ticks?
Yeah.
Change that to like minus 100 and you'll see what happens. So minus 100. Okay. It's gonna go 100 ticks below 61.8.
Oh.
And so now that's the offset. And if you want it to be above, so say the market was like bearish and you wanted it to be a couple ticks above golden, you would do a positive offset. So right now it's a negative offset, so it's going to be below golden ratio. So now go ahead, right click again, right click, boom, attach, and then disable that, and then go back and do the same thing, boom, boom, and then properties. No, attach the indicator, and then properties. Now go ahead and do like a like a 10 tick offset once it pops up.
Yo, that is wow. What?
Did it pop up? I can't even see it.
Yeah, it is.
It's on the screen.
Yeah.
Oh, I can't even see that window. That's crazy. I literally
Wait,
cannot even see that window.
you talking about how it moved?
No, the box that's supposed to come up, I can't see it.
Oh, I didn't see no box.
You already did the offset? That's what I'm saying. You already did that you put it to 10?
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, the window didn't show up on Zoom. Okay. All right, cool. Yeah. But yeah, man, that's I mean, you can do that with anything. If there is something on the chart, you can do it.
Oh,
You know?
that is crazy.
Yeah. So like even expand the timeout so you can see pull the chart, pull the time to the left. Yeah, keep going. All right. Now go ahead and right click and put another buy market order somewhere. No, you're in right there. Buy limit 1, buy, yeah. Wherever. Okay. Now go ahead and right click on that order that you just put. Let me see. Attach the indicator for the properties. Let me see something. What's the fair value? I'm trying to see if the way the fair value gap indicator plots. Maybe you can do something like that. Let me see. No, it doesn't plot. Okay. That's all good. You only have the yeah. You can go ahead and cancel and then X that order out. Yeah. Okay. But if you have you can always attach orders to different spots on the market. Like you can do that. You can even make it so that you can draw a line and then you can have it send you an alert. Like if the market crosses this line or something, it'll send you an email or send you a text or, bruh, man. There's so much, yeah, bro. There's so much shit you can do in Ninja that people don't even know about. So again, we had this conversation where I was telling people like we were talking. Remember I was telling you I was like, yo, people literally don't like Ninja, and then people be like, oh, Ninja, they don't have a lot of things on it. It's like, no, you just don't know how to do it. That like Ninja got some shit on it.
Boy, I'm mind blown.
Yeah. So, yeah, man, Ninja got a lot of shit. Ninja Trader got a lot of shit. So, there's a lot of shit that you can do. Yes, sir.
Order submitted.
All right, yo. I'm fixing to call it a day.
All right.